So this is post closet audit. Look at all these dry cleaning hangers. And then the closet though looks amazing. It was a little overwhelming when we got here. And now it's all neat and tidy. Everything has a place. Hi everybody, it's Jennifer and I'm here with the lovely Amy.
Hi.
Who we just talked about. I have been working with Amy since 2013. Yes, so 6 years. And I just wanted her to share with you all a little bit about what it's been like working with me for the last 6 years and what she has gotten out of it.
I started working with you the first time I reached out to you. I was transitioning jobs, going from a job where I could wear basically jeans, t-shirts, and Uggs to a job where I needed a professional wardrobe. And you helped me. We booked some time. We went to the mall. You helped me get a great starting working wardrobe where things that I could get many outfits out of it for not a lot of money. Not a lot of money at all, and everything. And the great thing was everything fits.
Right.
And that's one of the things that I love about you, Jennifer, is that you will be honest with me in terms of, and today, I mean, I have a huge pile of stuff because half of my stuff didn't fit anymore.
Right.
And I know that when I get stuff with you, it fits. And the other cool thing that you do is I tend to get in a rut in terms of my clothes, and you push me out of my comfort zone a little bit in terms of patterns and colors and really fun. And a lot of those pieces end up being my absolute favorite pieces to wear.
Good.
So thank you.
You're welcome, of course. And you've like really transformed your style like since you started working with me. Yeah, you've definitely. And so one of the things that I love about you and Carrie is that you know, I tell people I'm not a style fairy. Like I can't wave my magic wand and like change your life.
Right.
So number one, the fact that you guys have continued to see me throughout the years and realize that I'm not like it's not a magic. It's like working with a personal trainer, and you have to do work on your own. Like I am not always here for you, and you and Carrie have both kept up your style game and continue to like improve your personal style and try new things and just have fun with it.
Well, I think that's one of the things, because I used to dread going shopping, and now I do have a style, and I look forward to shopping, and my style has evolved over time, but it's my own, and it's fun. And when you come over, I'm always excited when you're always like, oh, that's really nice. I like that. Yeah. And when we first started, I don't think you would have said that.
No, I don't think we didn't do a closet audit the first time we shopped at Fashion Valley, and then I think we did a closet audit, or we did a lookbook after that.
Yes.
And I think Britta was Britta there.
Yes.
Britta, oh my God, Britta just got married.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. Sweet Britta. Hi, Britta. So was that it? Was there anything else that we wanted to talk about? So Amy has a nice big pile of consignments. She has. Because Amy invests in her wardrobe, a lot of the pieces that we are parting with today because they don't fit her or she's just tired of them, which happens, she'll be able to take in and consign. And she has a lot, so I think she's going to make some money. So, all right. Well, thanks for having me today.
Oh, thank you. Awesome. This was I feel like a weight is lifted off my shoulders. Good. This is awesome.
Yeah, you have that. Thank you. Amy's had a lot going on in her life, so this was a good cleansing experience of today. All right.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.